Hi there, it's Megan. I'm Jenny's VA from the Sifting to Shore membership and the Decodable Readers Vault. And today I'm here to talk to you about how to respond when your student has a decoding error. When a student makes a mistake, it can be really tempting to just tell them the word and move on, especially when you're short on time. But those little moments are actually golden opportunities for teaching. How we respond to errors directly impacts how our students connect sounds to print. When we guide them to notice the phonics pattern or reread the word correctly, we're helping them build their decoding skills, not just get through the text. So instead of jumping in with the answer, we want to slow down just enough to help them apply what they know. Here are 5 steps for you to help with correcting decoding errors. Step 1, practice wait time. First, give the student a moment to self-correct. Sometimes they just need a second to process what they read. You might think they didn't notice the error, but often they do. So pause and give them that think time before jumping in. Step 2, use visual cues. If the student doesn't self-correct, point to the part of the word that was read incorrectly. For example, if the student said ship for shop, you can point under the vowel. This draws their attention to where the error happened without immediately telling them the answer. Next, add a gentle verbal cue to remind them of the pattern. You might say something like, "What vowel do you see?" Or, "What sound does that vowel make?" when pointing to the word shop. You might also say, "Remember, CH says ch," or, "What does that magic E do?" This supports recall and reinforces the phonics skill in context. Step 4 is to model. If the student still can't correct the word, go ahead and model it. Say, "This word is shop." Listen, shop. Then ask them to repeat the word after you. Modeling gives them a clear example and keeps the tone positive and encouraging. Finally, always have the student reread the sentence or phrase correctly. This helps them rebuild fluency and ensures that they can apply the correction in context. You might say, "Let's go back and read that sentence again smoothly." These 5 steps help students learn from their mistakes instead of just being told the answer. It keeps the focus on decoding and builds real independence as readers. Correcting errors the right way is what turns reading practice into learning. When we connect the correction back to the phonics skill, we are reinforcing decoding, not guessing. We're also showing students that mistakes are part of the process. They're how we learn. So, next time you hear an error, don't just give the word. Pause, guide them back to the pattern, and have them reread. That's how we build confident, independent readers.